Good morning, homeowners and house hunters. I'm Holly Baxter bringing you your weekly real estate weather forecast. Monday starts off bright and sunny, perfect for you to get out and go look at some houses. Tuesday is going to be sunny with a light breeze coming in. Expect a lot of new listings to pop up. On Wednesday, we see lots of gusty winds coming in. Expect a lot of fixer-uppers to hit the market. Investors, be ready. On Thursday, don't forget to pack an umbrella because it will be raining. Possibly even a bidding war on Thursday. And Friday is rolling in with the perfect atmosphere for this weekend. Don't forget to go to those open houses on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Remember, whether you're buying, selling, or just browsing, stay tuned for the ups and downs of the market. Oh, and always keep an eye on those interest rate thunderstorms. You never know when they're going to pop in. Comment down below if you would like to know more about the weekly weather or real estate.